Hi there, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. So in this video, I'm going to teach you how to reset your language, your course on Duolingo, okay? So the first thing you want to do is, of course, on my previous video, I told you how to install and download create a profile on Duolingo. So on this one, I'm going to teach you how to change your course, okay? Your language course, of course. The first thing you want to do on any video that I make, of course, go to settings first. Now make sure we have generals tab right there, click on software update. And then from here, I just want you to check if you have your iOS up to date. It doesn't really matter if you have iOS 16.6 or a number that is different from this one, because you might be watching this a few months from now and there's a new release on Apple. The important part here is gonna be this one. iOS is up to date, okay? With that being said, if you installed the latest version of iOS available on your end, that's perfect. Now let's hop onto Duolingo. This should be the landing page of Duolingo. As you can see, this is going to be my profile with a few languages right here. Section is rookie right there. Okay, this is the rookie part right here. Now, how to change the language? Please pay your attention on this part of the screen, the left side upper section. There is the flag of the Japanese country, okay, or Japan rather. Now, to change your course or change your language, just click on the flag. As you can see, Japanese here. This is the current course I'm enrolled in. I'm just clicking on the course right there. And then I'm just going to choose another course that I want to learn, or another language that I want to learn. For example, let's click on French, okay? Click on continue, and I'm going to have a new course set up for me, modeled after me. Duolingo is going to help me with that. As you can see, I have changed it to French. Now, how can I make it on my own, like for example, my native language, or to US or English language? Just click on this option right here, click on more. And then it's gonna give you options for Arabic speakers, Bengali, please correct me if I'm wrong, Chinese speakers, Czech, Dutch, French, German speakers, and so on and so forth. And as you can see the American flag in each of these courses or speakers. So that being said, just choose what is your native language and you'll have the English version of the course available on your end. Okay? So that's how you change your courses or language on Duolingo. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the like button, subscribe. Have a safe one.